We are here in the Niagara Escarpment, Ontario, Canada. It's mid-Jan 2017, and this time of the year it's supposed to be full snow cover all over this place. None of these walls are supposed to be melting at this time of the year. So you can see climate change happening. Middle of winter, however, everything's melting already, temperatures are higher. According to IPCC, International Panel on Climate Change, as well as NASA, all the data clearly suggests that our carbon emissions have never been so high throughout the history of life on Earth. Well, especially within the last 500,000 years that we have data for, 450,000 years approximately, from ice core samples. It's never passed 300 parts per million in extreme cases. Now we are at 400 parts per million, and there's a clear correlation between CO2 emissions and global average temperatures. So we can see, due to human-induced excess CO2 emissions because of fossil fuel burning, the climate average temperatures have increased. We've just increased it by close to 0.5 to approximately 1 degree, and the trend chart shows that if it goes up on an average 2 degrees globally, we'll have complete meltdown of the polar ice caps. We're halfway there already, almost. How can we avert this catastrophe? It can be avoided. We have the technologies. We have them right now. Save the political vote, which you know is the only impediment. If we shift and enable people power and global consciousness and work together as a single species, focus our science and technology towards renewables and new energy technologies, and invest more in renewables, including fusion technologies which are non-radioactive, as opposed to fission currently in use, which is highly radioactive. And we have the technologies for that, but not enough funding. And I don't have to tell you where the funding is going. So, teach your kids to be proactive on this subject, because they're going to make the shift. They're going to avert catastrophe, and they're going to shift global consciousness towards a unified, emerging human consciousness for equanimity, well-being and balance on this planet. Wish you well. Take care.
To set a premise and explore the hypothesis of hot intelligence-based civilization, let us start with some obvious but rephrased questions. A. Why is it that our current predicament as a civilization is that every time we try to fix old mistakes, we bring about new problems? B. Is it possible that we are using an inherently flawed thinking model to solve our problems?
Star power at National Ignition Facility, California. Fusion reaction. Amplified laser targeted at refined hydrogen, creating fusion reaction similar to the Sun.
The day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence. Nikola Tesla. Tesla, Wardenclyffe Project Archives. Electric power is everywhere, present in unlimited quantities, and can drive the world's machinery without the need of coal, oil, gas, or any other of the common fuels. Nikola Tesla. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Gandhi.
Simply stated, everything is energy, and energy is vibrating at varying frequencies to give the impression of different states of matter. The higher your state of energy, the higher is your state of cellular vibration. Therefore, you have a possibility of empowering yourself in reality with joy, happiness, and well-being. Gabriel Iqbal. A shift in global human consciousness, sustainability, well-being, and coexistence. Cutting-edge experiments are explained, revealing the links that connect science, consciousness, and spirituality. Self, social, and global realization via heart intelligence.